Sabi nila, men age like fine wine.
Senior citizen ka na.
Oo.
Nung nag-start ka.
Kala ko hindi ako makakatakbo ng matagal eh. I started 3 kilometers lang.
At dahil 70 years old ka na, Dad, we are here to celebrate 70 years of wonderful memories with you.
Happy birthday, Papa B! We miss you. We hope to see you soon.
See you soon.
Hi Dad, sorry wala ako dyan, but I have 7 wishes for you. I wish na makatakbo ka na ulit. Strong mind, strong body, more years to come, a life full of love, long-lasting happiness, and I wish I could be there with you to celebrate your birthday. Pero, andyan naman ako sa April, so I will still see you. I love you, Dad. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your night.
Happy 70th birthday, Daddy Jen, from Big Bear, California.
Wishing you all the best, Kuya Ben. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Tita Bien! Happy 70th birthday po! Wish you good health po always! Love you!
Hi, Tito Benny. I just want to greet you a happy birthday to you. Stay healthy. God bless. I love you.
Hi Poto, happy birthday. Wish ko lang po sa kaarawan mo, maging masaya ka lagi at good health po. Lagi naman yun ang dinadasal namin para malakas lagi.
Wish ko din po para sa inyo po. Sa kaarawan niyo po ay sana po maging malakas po.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Ingat lagi dyan to. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, Ninong! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Good health always. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. May you have many more birthdays to come. I love you po. Happy birthday! Hi, Tito Benny.
Hi, Tito.
We just want to wish you an amazing 70th birthday all the way from
Tokyo.
cold Tokyo. And here we have, who do we have in the background?
Godzilla.
Can you see him, Tito?
The monster.
Right over there. All right.
Have a great birthday. We love you.
Yes.
We can't wait to see you again and do some running together. Get better. Get that knee going.
Yes, Tito. Thank you so much for everything.
Bye, Tito.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Okay, ciao.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bien. Joy, peace, and happiness on your birthday. Keep healthy, ha? Okay. Take care.
Happy birthday, Bien. May you have many more birthdays and grandchildren to come. Happy birthday.
Binabati ka namin ng isang maligayang happy birthday. Wish namin sa darating mong birthday, maging consistency at mag-strong ka. At marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Narito lang kami mga kaibigan mo na pupunta sa iyo. Kaya isang maligayang pagbati tayo na happy birthday.
Hi, Bien. Happy 50th looking birthday. Kagagaling lang namin sa simbahan at nasabi ng pare na ang average lifespan ng mga Pilipino is mga 70 years old, no? Pero sa tingin ko, lalampas ka sa 70, no? Easily siguro more than 80 years old ikaw, no? I'm happy to be your friend. You're, aside from the fact that you are good looking, you're cool, level-headed, and I'm sure a good family man. My wish is that all your wishes will be achieved, especially for your children, and of course for you. So,
happy birthday, Bien. May kasabihan, perseverance will bear fruit. Never give up. Never give in. Strength comes not from what you can do, but from overcoming the things you first thought you couldn't. Just be patient. Go, go, go. Praying for speedy recovery so that you can join and win the marathon again. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Bien.
Hello, Bien. Happy birthday. I'm very glad that we have again reconnected after so many years. At 70, I cannot imagine you still running the race. Keep it up, be healthy, and stay strong. Happy birthday.
Mahal.
Oh.
Birthday ka lang Tito Bien ngayon.
Sino Tito Bien? Yung Bien and Bien?
Hindi. Si Tito Bien.
Si Idol.
Yes, yung Lodi runner.
Hello. Oh, Tito Bien. Happy birthday. Alam mo, nakaka-inspired ka, no? Kahit na, sabi ko nga, itong taong to, Tito Bien, nung nakita ko yung pagpupursige niya para makatakbo, lolo di talaga siya. Grabe.
Andiyan ko talaga din si Tito Bien. Biro mo, yung kanyang speed sa running sa edad niya na yun.
Parang speed ko yun eh. Nung bata ako.
Hindi ko kaya yun.
Oo, hindi ko kaya.
Ayan.
Pero,
mabilis Tito. Bilis.
Pero nasa lahat, happy 70th birthday, Tito Bien. At thank you. At nakasama namin kayo ng hindi naman mahabang panahon dun sa Focus for Christ. Pero marami tayong mga mga activities na nagkasama-sama tayo. So, lalo sa sa service natin sa Kids for Christ. KFC.
Si Tito Bien, ang una talaga nakita ko sa kanya, very humble.
Yes.
Tahimik pero
ngiti-ngiti lang.
Yung obedient nandun. Silent at hindi tayo talagang nagtagal ng magkasama. Tito, happy birthday. Wish namin sana long life. Happy long life, Tito. And pagaling ka, kaya pa yan.
At isa lang din, no, Tito Bien, alam mo, bibihira yung nakakarating ng 70 years old, no, na hindi dumadaan sa 69. Diba? Bakit mo, may edad ka na, 69 ka na, no? Tapos 70 ka na ngayon. Parang bihira-bihira yun. Yeah, congrats. Congrats. At, yun, sabi ko nga, isa kang Lolo D. Lolo D na yan, galing. Saka natutuwa ako dun sa support ng family. Yan, yung mga anak mo, very proud sila dun sa achievement mo. Sana, ako rin yung 70 ko, no?
Sana kayanin mo.
Kahit makatakbo pa ako ng katulad ng ginagawa mo. At alam ko, yung dahil yan sa discipline mo, saka sa yung pagpupursige mo na perseverance. Parang ano yan, parang perseverance, tapos ang kasunod nun. Okay, yun. Happy birthday! Magkasama pa ulit tayo sa kalsada, tumatakbo, at yun, mahabang buhay pa. Maraming birthday. Okay, happy birthday, happy 70th birthday, Lolo D. Lolo D, alright, rock and roll, yay!
Hello, parang Ben. Maraming salamat sa opportunity na to na para batiin kita ng happy 30th birthday. Siguro magtataka ka bakit 30. Di ba may kasabihan nga, sabi nila yun, life begin at 40. So, pag sinabi natin life begin at 40, so 30 years old ka lang ngayon. Di ba? Oh. Sarap pakinggan, di ba? Oh. Kamusta na yung operasyon natin sa tuhod? Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung paggaling ng yung sugat sa tuhod. And then, marami pang kaarawan na darating para sa iyo. By the way, babatiin ka rin ng anak ko na si Ryan. No?
Happy birthday, Tito Ben.
Isa nga pala, Ben, may sasabihin din pala si Ryan sa iyo para tuloy-tuloy yung paggaling ng iyong ng iyong tuhod. Kasi si Randran nasa hospital pa, at least si Ryan nakalibre dito ngayon. Busy rin sa hospital, marami pang pinopotol ngayon na nahita. O Ryan, ano sabihin mo Tito mo, Ben?
Tito, para sa fast recovery, mas mainam, advice ko sa'yo na after the operation is you go straight to therapy. Kasi since na matagal mong hindi nagamit yan, yung mga muscle natin dyan, ang mangyayari dyan pag hindi nagagamit, liliit yan. So ang purpose ng therapy is para magamit mo siya uli.
Sabi mo sa kanya, huwag kang
Ben, inuulit ko ha, sa maagang paggaling, para gusto ko rin tumakbo Kaya siguro kung tatakbo, sasabay ako sa iyo, mahaba na yung 2 kilometro, pero hindi ko kaya yung 40 kilometers. Diyan ako bilib sa iyo uulitin ko, happy birthday para sa iyo, sa edad na 30 anyos. Salamat, at kahit papano napangiti kita. Bye-bye.
Lolo Bien, happy birthday.
Tito.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Lolo
Bien, happy birthday. Get well soon.
Ninong, wishing you all the best on your 70th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong. God bless.
Say happy birthday. Oh, flying kiss.
Flying kiss.
Flying kiss.
To our pogi and mabait na tito, happy birthday po. Wish you more birthdays to come, stay safe and healthy, and more kilometers to run. From Calgary with love, happy birthday, tito.
Sir Ben, merong gustong bumati sa inyo. Si Toki. Ay, Tabi pala.
Happy birthday, Sir Ben!
to, sir. Seryoso na. So, happy birthday, my idol sa running, my idol sa accounting, my idol sa integrity, at my idol sa friendship. No, talagang kahit we have this boss and subordinate relationship, but you have become a good friend to us, even to my family and to our Triflow family. So marami kaming natutunan sa iyo, and we really are thankful to have you in our life, no, sa corporate life and even sa friendship, especially rin when I had a moment with your son sa Ireland, talagang as if nakasama kita doon. Yun, natuwa ako na you have raised your sons and your daughter, no, very well. So you really are my idol when it comes to everything. So happy birthday, Sir Bien, and hopefully makabalik ka na ulit sa passion mo in running ang 100%. Kung di man 100%, 99%. So happy birthday.
70th birthday ni Ninong Bien. May God bless you abundantly with good health, peace, and love. Thank you for being an inspiration to everyone around you.
Happy birthday, Paring Bien.
Happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday, Running Lolo. Napakarami sa amin ang hindi makakayang gawin ang ginagawa mo. At your age, you can still do long distance running. Ikaw ay talagang source of inspiration, lalong-lalo na para sa aming mga senior. Patagal na akong nag-quit sa pagtakbo. Pero pagkatapos ng video ito, mag-aalay ako sa iyo ng 1 kilometrong pagtakbo. Ito ay pagtakbo ng panalangin. At sa pagtakbo ko na yon, hihilingin ko sa Diyos na manumbalik at mapanatili sana ang iyong kalusugan at patuloy kang tumakbo at maging daloy ng inspirasyon ng maraming mga tao. Enjoy your day. Enjoy it with the greatest treasures, one of the greatest treasures in life, and that is your family. Stay safe and healthy. Shower of blessings for you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tatakbo na ako!
Sa aking butihing pare at kaibigang Bien, maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan at nawa ay mapuno ka ng saya at pagpapala sa araw na ito, at ang hiling kong magtagumpay ka sa lahat ng iyong adhikain at pagnanais na makamtam sa iyong buhay. May our dear Lord God bless you and your family all the time. Happy birthday, Paring Rapi.
Happy birthday, Dad, and always remember, nandito lang kami palagi.